Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kibor District ka East Khasi Hills. Haka jingyadan lang ki officer jong katanat PHE, NHIDCL, bat kinong yalam ka senjuk kinong sencharge nong Upper Shillong, henne ka sngi kila pelong, ya ka jing Jurip ya ka surok, nado Jingkieng Umshyrpi ter shado laimer. Kani ka jing let Jurip, kadai hadien baka senjuk kinong sencharge nong Upper Shillong, kala ujor siya ka Deputy Commissioner. Ka East Khasi Hills, ka kong RM Korba, halor ka jing Suki Palat ban Pyntrei ya ka surok 4 lane, kabalawan ra ka jing Kali kabajur hakathan.
As Snsup, Irang Bachnong, Upper Shillong, yesterday we had met the Deputy Commissioner of the East Khasi Hills District along with the Snsup, the Traffic Police, and especially the team which leads this work, the NHIDCL. After a thorough deliberation at the office of the Deputy Commissioner, we had gone today at 9 o'clock in the morning for the inspection of this ongoing project of the NHIDCL, and we express our dissatisfaction with the kind of work that you're doing. It's a very slow pace, but after we could inspect today, we could also hear the difficulties faced by the NHIDCL, by which the Snsup has offered whatever help they can from the people of this area. The main concern of our visit today is the Umshyrpi area, which is the work is going on at a very slow pace. So we have inspected today along with the BDO, the line department, the traffic police, and we have requested and urged the NHIDCL to fasten up the work at Umshyrpi area all the way till 3rd mile and repair the potholes and whatever work that is left unattended in the last few months. This has become a major issue not only for the people of Upper Shillong, but for people who are coming from West Khasi Hills, from Sora, from Peninsula and elsewhere. Even people coming from Garo Hills are using the same road, and it has caused great inconvenience to the public at large because of the traffic jam, which we the people from Upper Shillong we face in our daily activities while going to work. And what touches us the most is that people who ferry the patients with their own private vehicles, there is not even a gap to pass, because when you come with the ambulance, the siren is there. People have always respected the ambulance, but when people who are taking the patients in private vehicles, or people who have to go to hospitals and many other emergencies, they are stuck in a jam for 2-3 hours. So the Snsup felt it necessary that we have to take up this issue in the right manner and in the right pace, and today it was satisfactory after we visit, and we have got the commitment from the NHIDCL that we will try to speed up this area from 3rd mile up to Umshyrpi. They have given us a time of 2 weeks that they would complete whatever work that is pending here, and we welcome the night closure as well. As a Snsup, we have given them the assurance that we will support, and we assure them that even if required volunteer at night, we will also provide, because they have expressed that the night closure at 10 o'clock, some people are not cooperating and they force the roads closure to be opened forcefully. Some have expressed that their materials have been stolen at large, so we have the police department here who is going to conduct an inquiry, and we express our gratitude again to all the members of the Snsup for taking up this matter at the right NS, and we thank all of you, the media, for covering this program.
Nyawan mutasngi ngidon rengkat lang bat Snsup Irang Bachnong. Kot ngidon lang ki officials bawan lang naka PHE, ki NHIDCL, naliang office yung block development officer Melim iwan ban Jurip ya kini ka surok ba Pyntrei menta ding ba ke NHIDCL te na don kaptu kan ni kijing jor nakaliang kasnong at kijing ba kisyam maki kalau organik kijing Pyntrei jong kan ka surok te meneng ila nya sedang kadai beje kan kijing Jurip ila poiswa hangte haga tika bridge Umshyrpi adin tapat nilai wan sa lumoba ngi poipat sa 101 area adin 101 area pat ni wan hadu agni ka point mentah ti ngilalap kibun kaptu kan ni issues ba nakaliang NHIDCL ba ki officials kila pular ba ki pendap kamtam ban resolve ki issues ba ki kisyam ki paj ba kawi kalong baik ba kala khamnya kamtam ru bangi pej ba ki traffic kala pentut ya kajing ya iki kali badru kala wanra ya kajing ya iki paj ba kibun bunsin bagi syam jing ya lara kilet shilong lani kilet kinu kijing Pyntrei jongki kisyam simpor ba ni tang nak daw ba kami aku surok badru ba kebun palat ke traffic timutasi nilai wan nilai don rekat lang bekisnong tengah ainu iborok ki nongkit kam jeng kesnong ki bala don rekat lang bangi te mengi ngila kerbat yo NHIDCL badru nilai request ba udi pen kloy ban Pyntrei kam ya kene ke surok kenang ba kan wanra ya ka kajing mentoy ki paj ba o kidon kalian ke NHIDCL su kibun ki issues ba makiru ki syam kibun ki challenges ki problems tingiru na liang jingi ni kloy ban panyarap ki panai kanu ko cooperation lani kajing Pyntrei kam lang barki bakidon kap ke polisi bun kata ni nagaliang ka block office